look what happened to my dress. What happened? Stinking Velcro. Oh, stupid Velcro. I know, I hate it. See? It's horrible. I know. I didn't always hate Velcro. I didn't hate it either.
So, I was walking down the hall in school, and I just saw these kids walking by. And then I realized, oh no, my pants got stuck to her bag, and they fell down. It's off, but I could... So, I was sitting in class, listening to my teacher, all bored and whatnot, and then something hit me. And I was like, what? What was that? And my friend said, your pencil! And I was like, what? I don't get it. And then the thought appeared. I realized what I was missing. My pencil. As I opened it, everybody stared at me. And then I was embarrassed.
Odio el Velcro, no me gusta, lo detesto.
Je déteste Velcro.
Back in my day, we didn't have Velcro. We tied our shoes. We didn't have one of these things. We worked back in the day. WTH, IHV, ISD, OMG.
Say it in French, say it loud. 1, 2, 3, go.
Je déteste Velcro.
You laughed. That was totally undoable.
You're not supposed to hear.
You're supposed to like, ow, not.
Did you play the video, remember?
Yeah.
WTH, IHV, ISOMG, ugh.
Velcro did this to me. Just made it up. Wait, stop